In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Canva. This is a quick and powerful way to isolate a subject and give your designs a clean, professional look. Before we begin, keep in mind that background removal in Canva is a premium-only feature. If you don't see the option in your editor, it likely means the feature isn't available on a free plan. Start by opening your project in Canva. This can be any design you're working on: social media graphics, presentations, thumbnails, or anything else. Once your project is open, locate the image you want to edit. It could already be on your canvas, or you might have it in your uploads. Either way, make sure it's visible in your project so you can work with it. Click the image to select it. When an image is selected, you'll see a toolbar appear above the editor. In that toolbar, look for the option labeled BG Remover. It's designed specifically to remove the background from your selected image with a single click. Go ahead and click BG Remover. After you click, Canva will begin processing the image. You'll see a brief loading indicator while it analyzes the subject and separates it from the background. The processing time can vary slightly depending on your internet connection and the size or complexity of the photo, so just give it a moment to finish. Once the processing is done, the background will disappear and your main subject will remain. That's it. The background is removed and your image is ready to use directly in your design. You don't need to do anything else to apply it. The change takes effect automatically in your project. A few quick tips to help you get the best results. Images with clear contrast between the subject and the background tend to process more cleanly, and higher resolution photos usually give sharper edges. If you don't immediately see BG Remover, double-check that the image is selected and that you're working within a plan that includes premium features. Also, try to avoid clicking elsewhere in the editor while it's processing, just to let it complete without interruption. From here, you can continue arranging your design, add text or graphics, and position your newly isolated subject wherever it fits best. Your project saves as you go, so you can move on with confidence. And that's all it takes to remove a background in Canva. Open your project, select your image, click BG Remover in the top toolbar, wait for it to process, and you're done.